In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own 3D book cover image for free and in less than 2 minutes, so that you can save your money for all those other expenses that come with self-publishing your work and save you more time for writing. Hello writers in training, and welcome to my channel where I show writers like you how to develop your writing skills and self-publish your work with a new training video each week. So be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. I'm Shannon, a self-published author writing under the pen name SD Houston. And if you're like me, you're trying to sell your work to the world as a one-woman show or one-man show. And you'll need a 3D book cover image for marketing and promotions at some point. And this is actually shown to increase conversions up to 40% and has shown a 30% improvement in average sales prices. So I'm going to show you how you can go from a flat cover image to this. Now, if you hire a book cover designer, some will add in a free 3D image, also called a mock-up, a 3D rendering, and other various names. However, others will charge anywhere from $25 to $75 or more. But you can do it for yourself for free and in minutes without using Canva or Photoshop or any of those other programs suggested when you search YouTube on how to make your 3D book cover image. So let's find out how you can do this. To start, this ability to do it yourself for free and in minutes is all made possible by Derek Murphy. He is a fine artist who became a book cover designer and then started writing young adult sci-fi and fantasy and help books for self-published authors with dozens of books out. So a huge heartfelt thank you and shout out to such an amazing individual who never tires of helping others. So now I will walk you through the step-by-step process of making your 3D book cover image. And then I'm gonna time myself doing it so you can see how long it actually takes. So first, let's click on the link in the description box below, or type in the URL diybookcovers.com/3D mockups/. Next, select the template you want. Choose between a single book image or a composite of 2 to 3 book images. These are all the same book image but on different devices, such as a cell phone, an iPad, tablet, or e-reader, a paperback book, and a hardback book. Find the template that's right for your purposes. For my completed 3D book image, I chose a composite of a cell phone, the e-reader, and the hardback book. So now you want to click on the template, and you'll notice that the choice you click on becomes a bit more transparent. You could easily pick another template if you change your mind, and your new choice will become the transparent picture. So now once you've made a choice, scroll up and click on the reddish orange Next button. On the next screen, you'll upload your image. Here you have a few buttons. You have a white square with a gray dotted outline around it and a progress bar below the square that says 0%. To start, first click on the Browse button. For this, I'm on a Windows computer, so this step may look a bit different for you if you are a Mac user. But for me, I find the image on my computer, click on it, and hit open. Important note here, you will not see anything different on the screen when you do this, which can actually make it seem like you're not doing this step right, but don't panic because you're good. There's an alternate way to actually upload your image as well. So instead of hitting the Browse button, find your image on your computer, click and hold it while you drag and drop it into the white square with the gray dotted outline where it says drag and drop here. When you see the word copy pop up next to your image, let it go. Again, it will not look like you've done anything here, but don't worry, your image is there. Whichever way you choose to upload your image, it has been added, I promise. So now click on the blue upload button. If you scroll down the page past your cover, you should see the blue progress bar is at 100% now. Scroll back up and click on the reddish orange Next button. And finally, the last step. On this last screen, it says to save your 3D image as a JPG or transparent PNG if you want to change the background. To make this choice, scroll down past your cover and you will see the 2 reddish orange buttons for PNG and JPG. I suggest downloading both. The JPG will look like the template you choose with your book cover all over a white background, and the PNG will be transparent so that you can create a custom background for your 3D book cover. So click on the one you want, or each button one at a time. For me, my screen freezes for a few moments until it downloads the files to my download folder. So while we are waiting, if you're finding this content valuable, please hit that like button so other writers can find this video too. And now the downloads are done and you have your 3D book cover image. So how long does this all actually take? Let's time it from start to finish. There, we did it in less than 2 minutes. So you have it now. You have an amazing 3D image of your book cover, which can help you with your advertising and promotions, as well as convincing your followers, friends, and family to go out and purchase your book. Make sure to bookmark Derek Murphy's site for your future books. That's it, guys. Don't forget that my debut novel, Blood of the Lily, is now available for pre-order. This YA fantasy book is a partial fairy tale retelling of Snow White and Rose Red, mashed up with Irish mythologies. And if that sounds like something you might be interested in, please pre-order your copy today. I'm also looking for ARC readers who will receive a free copy of the book in exchange for an honest review on any social media platform of your choice. And you can find all of those links in the description box below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and happy writing!